everyone, and welcome to my review of the Apple Magic Keyboard. The Apple Magic Keyboard is one of the newest Bluetooth keyboards designed by Apple and available in silver. It is thinner and lighter compared to earlier models and has bigger keys with a stable scissor mechanism below each key, along with an optimized key travel and low profile between each key. Now coming with a built-in rechargeable battery, there's no reason for buying and replacing batteries, as everything can be done by plugging it into your computer. At the back you get your order number, but with a service that can make it set wherever is comfortable. The box that the Magic Keyboard comes in has the product title on top with an included image of the actual keyboard below. Like every other Apple product, the logo is at the side, but not like some Apple products, there's no information at the back. The only bit of advice I'd give to Apple to improve their boxes in future is to include a handle at the side so that physically disabled reviewers can feel like they're taking part in the full unboxing experience. The first thing you see when you open the box is the Magic Keyboard itself, but when you pull it out, you see it comes with a Lightning USB cable and a quick startup guide. There's a bit of plastic for sliding the keyboard out, but like what I said about the box, I would love if Apple could introduce a bigger one of these in future, as it would also help with making physically disabled reviewers feel more involved. To pair the keyboard up, you press the small Bluetooth connection button at the top before going to System Preferences on your Mac, going into Bluetooth, and from there clicking on your keyboard. But if you would prefer an easier way, you can plug your USB connector into the keyboard and into your Mac, and it will pair automatically within seconds. Depending on how often you use it, you could go about a month without needing to charge, though this could be less if you work on it daily, and it takes about 2 hours to charge. You can still use it while it is charging. If you want to get the Apple Magic Keyboard, you can get it through Apple for £99. I've had a few months to get used to the keyboard, so what are my thoughts on it overall? The scissor mechanism makes typing a whole lot easier, and the bigger keys make everything a whole lot easier to see. I had problems before pairing it of needing to press two buttons at the one time, but my normal one button click system works as soon as I got it paired, and while some don't like the bigger arrow keys, I'm personally happy with them. The only bit of criticism I have is on how you have to slide out the cover and the keyboard, but the main setup is fine. So overall, I would give the Apple Magic Keyboard 10 stars.